eliciting as factual basis to we can only elicit to the underlying charge then, because if he wasn't notified prior to, it's not trespassing.
We can switch that line.
Yeah.
Mr. Roop, is it true that while you were in Target that day, that you tried to take or did take some property that was for sale?
Yeah.
Target was open to the public or for business at that time?
Yes.
Okay. I'll accept the plea to the underlying charge, except for the factual basis that is to the underlying charge. I find your plea to be freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made. He's not on probation or anything, is he?
No, Your Honor.
I don't have a strong history. Only reason why I hesitate to do immediate sentence is because the affidavit of probable cause mentions that he was a repeat offender at that location.
I think I can provide some information. Your Honor.
Yes.
So he'd never been previously charged for conduct. It looks like asset protection staff, in my reading of the report, had noted potential other things that they were keeping an eye on him for possible retail frauds in the past. They hadn't been able to confirm those, and no charge had ever been issued. They issued the trespass letter that day. My understanding is there's been no occurrences there or anywhere else since then, but he was someone that they'd kept their eye on for a couple of business
Okay,
incidents.
so it was suspected
Yes,
prior to,
yes,
but he doesn't have any prior convictions.
that's my understanding.
Yeah, I'm gonna double check. I think that that's factually accurate. I see no one.
Okay,
No, they're charged on the TCAs. I think that's why I was saying I offered the trespass.
no other. Okay, thank you. You can make out this counsel.
All right, Your Honor. We would ask for a fines and cost sentence. Mr. Ruth is working full time as a personal trainer. He's actually a business owner. He rents a booth at a local gym. He's had no bond violations while he's been on bond, and this has been going on for over a year now. We just spoke with Mr. Ruth briefly, and he takes accountability for what he did. He's expressed remorse. He's agreed to pay the restitution. So, due to all those facts, we would ask for a sentence of 5 years.
Okay, there's a $75 crime victim rights fee plus a $50 state minimum cost plus the restitution of $207.98. So your total is $332.98. How much are you paying today, sir?
I can pay 50 to 100, and yeah, 50 to 100. I'll see if I can pay the 100 today.
Okay, when will you be able to make another payment after that?
The first of this next month. That's when I get paid, on the first.
And how much is that? The balance by June 1st. If you find out by the 1st that you need an extension, you have to request additional time, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further. Your Honor.
Nothing from the.
You're all set. We'll have some.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Because, I mean, we in the streets. We is in the street. This must be the other insurance. Yeah. Okay, what did I do with my screen? Something weird is happening. I don't understand. Oh boy. I don't know what happened. Darn it. Oh, wow.
All right.
Mr. Roof is all set. What's happening? How come when George comes in, it gets really loud? George,
Everybody knows.
George, clearly.
I'm sorry.
George for mayor, literally. Lord help us. Okay, so this is the state of Michigan versus Karamjit Singh, 26-01170.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court, Assistant Prosecutor Attorney Dan Smith here on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender Jessica Stroud on behalf of Mr. Singh, who is approaching defense table.
Okay, Mr. Singh has a assault and battery set for today. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I believe I was supposed to have has not shown, so the people are asking that this matter be set for a final pretrial.
No offer at this time.
No offer.
We do final pretrial June 30th at 8 a.m.
June 30th, 8 a.m. in person at the court for final pretrial. So
Jury trial August 11th at 8 a.m.
August 11th, 8 a.m. for jury trial. Do you have any questions today? The additional matters for the record?
Nothing further.
Not from the people.
Thank you.
You're all set. Thank you. State of Michigan versus Jason Walker, 26-00866. Appearance, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court, Assistant Prosecutor Attorney Dan Smith here on behalf of the people.
Mr. Walker is supposed to be represented by Mr. Blackman, correct? No? What happened with you getting Mr. Blackman to represent you?
Said if the victim don't show up, can we respectfully ask him to be thrown out?
Okay, so you want this set for a final pretrial? That's what you're asking for?
Jury trial?
Well, we will set up for a final pretrial first to see if the victim is going to appear. And then if the victim doesn't appear, you can request or make a motion to have the case dismissed. That's what you're asking for? Is there an offer at this time?
I believe 7649, 76.
Okay, let me get your final pretrial.
June 30th at 8 a.m.
June 30th at 8 a.m. Okay, you must appear in person. And then your jury trial, if this proceeds to jury trial,
August 11th at 8 a.m.
August 11th at 8 a.m. Okay, we'll get you a notice. Do you have any questions?
I was wondering, can I get my restrictions lifted on the tether? It's on Kreitz Road. That's where all the factories are. I can't work because the restrictions on my tether is blocking every factory on Kreitz Road. Bridgewater, Meyer Warehouse.
You want the tether restrictions lifted, you're asking for?
Yes, please.
Where do you work?
I was working at LG.
Where do you work now?
I'm unemployed because I can't do my factory job over there. So I'm in restrictions.
You're unemployed because you can't get a factory job because of
I
restrictions?
don't want to work fast food or anything like that.
No, that's not what I'm
I can't
asking.
live off-
I didn't ask you, did I ask you why you didn't work for fast food? I'm trying to ask you what, you were working at LG and you lost that job because of your GPS tether?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay, okay. So you have another option to
Yeah.
employment right now?
Bridgewater.
Bridgewater, they've offered you a job?
Yes, I had an interview with them over the phone, but I can't go in person because it's in the restrictions.
Okay. Because it's in the restriction or it's within the zone, 2,000 feet zone.
It's in the zone.
Okay. Are they asking for you to come for an in-person interview?
All right.
Okay. Will you provide me evidence that you got a job? I'm happy to remove the restrictions. I don't have a problem with that, but right now you don't have a job. So we don't need to remove it. You gotta bring me some evidence. Judge, I got this job, I gotta get there so that I can know how to fix it. I can't just fix it when I don't know where your job is. You see where we gotta go with that? So you can come back in here once you get a job, or even if you gotta have it adjusted for a interview. And then I can get with JSG so that we make sure that location is not within your exclusion zones, okay? We can adjust it for that purpose. But right now, I don't have a way to do that because I don't know the location you need to address it for. Do you have any questions at this time? Okay, so you get out there, you go find you gainful employment. And I should see you before June 30th because you're gonna have a job and you're gonna want your GPS tether adjusted.
I do have one question.
Yes,
Is there any way I can get in before June 30th or?
yeah, today, I mean, it's June next week. And I don't think I have anything available on my docket prior to June 30th.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I definitely don't have anything available. So that's the best we can do. Thank you.